Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix arrows key not working in MS Excel. So friends, if you are facing this problem and you are not able to move by pressing arrows key, so there is a simple method. If on your laptop or PC keyboard there is available one key, scroll lock key, so press shift key plus scroll lock key. So just you need to turn off scroll lock by pressing shift plus scroll lock key. And if there is not available on your PC or laptop keyboard this type of key like scroll lock key is not available, so click on start and type on screen keyboard. Open on screen keyboard and here you will see the scroll lock key. So just you need to turn off, so click on it, so scroll lock will be turned off. Now close it and you can able to use arrows key in Excel like this. So this is the very simple and easy method to fix and to resolve this issue, arrows key not working in Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.